Hi creators, welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about the common error message illegal string offset and what we can do to solve the issue. Illegal string offset error in PHP, you need to make sure that you're using an integer index to access a character in a string, rather than a string key. Here are some steps you can take to fix this error. 1. Check the line number where the error is occurring. This will give you an idea of where the issue is in your code. 2. Make sure that you're using an integer index to access a character in a string. If you're using a string key, replace it with an integer index. If you're using a variable as an index, make sure that it's an integer. You can use the intval function to convert a string to an integer. 4. Check that the string actually has the index you're trying to access. If the string is empty or shorter than the index you're trying to access, you'll get this error. Finally, you can use the isSet function to check if a specific index exists in the string before trying to access it with an index. Here's an example code snippet that demonstrates how to fix this error. By using the isSet function, we can check if the string has an index 0 before trying to access it. We hope you found this video useful, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.